Zeus, the formidable ruler of the gods, found himself gripped by an unimaginable dread. A chilling prophecy hung over him, predicting that one of his own children would rise against him. This shocking revelation sent tremors through the majestic halls of Olympus, shaking the very foundations of the divine realm. The god of thunder, revered for his might and dominance, suddenly felt exposed. He had bravely faced rebellions from the Titans, ancient beings of great power, but this situation felt entirely different. The threat now came from his own bloodline, his children, demigods born from numerous affairs. Each of them possessed incredible abilities and untapped potential, making them formidable in their own right. The prospect of losing his reign to his own offspring was a haunting thought that plagued his mind. In a desperate bid to protect his throne, Zeus made a drastic and shocking decision. He swallowed his first wife, Metis, while she was pregnant with Athena, hoping to thwart the prophecy. This drastic act was intended to erase the threat before it could manifest. However, fate is a relentless force that cannot be easily manipulated. To Zeus's astonishment, Athena burst forth from his forehead, fully grown and clad in armor, a symbol of wisdom and war. The prophecy had not been averted. Instead, it had taken an unexpected turn. As the reality of his situation settled in, Zeus's initial fear morphed into a deep-rooted paranoia. He began to view his own children with suspicion, believing they might be plotting against him. This growing distrust sowed discord among the gods, leading to a cycle of conflict and tension that rippled through Olympus. The fear of losing his power had transformed the mighty king into a figure of anxiety. The lengths to which Zeus went to secure his throne highlighted a profound truth. The fear of losing control can drive even the strongest beings to make desperate choices. In his quest to outsmart fate, Zeus learned a harsh lesson. The struggle to control destiny is a battle that no god, no matter how powerful, can ultimately win. The very essence of fate is unpredictable, and attempting to subdue it can lead to unforeseen consequences. In the end, the mighty king realized that his actions had only fueled the chaos he sought to avoid.